If you run a small business from home, or if you just happen to ship a lot of stuff, you may be trying to reuse those packages and those cardboard boxes that you're getting from Amazon and others. If that's the case, you might have even had a few packages get lost, or perhaps UPS or FedEx has returned those boxes to you saying that they're covered with labels. So in that case, what most of us do is either try and peel those difficult to get off labels off, or we might even take a Sharpie like this dude in the video and just try and scribble out all of those barcodes and addresses and information that might get that package going to the wrong place. It's a slow process and an extreme time waster, but there is an easier way. Most shipping labels used by FedEx, UPS, USPS are actually thermal labels. That means it's not ink. The label itself is actually activated by heating it, and that creates the black text and barcodes and other messages on the box. So simply using a heat gun, like this guy in the video, you can totally activate the whole label, turning it a solid black color. USPS, FedEx, these guys, they're all very happy with that. You don't have to mess around with Sharpies or trying to peel off those sticky labels, and your package will get to where it needs to go. So if you've got a heat gun laying around the house, give it a shot and save yourself a bunch of time. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.